Do-it-yourself Nutella slime with French toast add-on. It looks so real, I just want to eat it. A cup of clear glue and a cup of white glue into a bowl. Mix well like a do-it-yourself blender. Till the mixture looks something like this. Add in a couple of teaspoons of brown acrylic paint. Blend again. So real already. It looks like chocolate sauce. Keep mixing and then add in the Elmer's activator until the glue comes away from the sides of the mixing bowl. You may need 5 teaspoons or more. I kept adding activator gradually until it was a really sticky consistency and I could touch it without it sticking to my hands. The mixture will look something like this. Nice and gooey. Quick slime test. It's ready. Let's draw the logo for the Nutella jar. Using the same exact Nutella logo and colors, I'm just coloring in the text now to make it stand out. Wrap the covering with tape so that it seals nicely. Final results. To make the slime even better, add chocolate fragrance to the slime mixture. It's gooey and the texture feels exactly like chocolate.
Yummy!
I made little clay French toast to go with it, and here's the result. No satisfying crunch, but ultimately enjoy some sticky slime ASMR. Comment what should we make next. Thanks for watching.